Hello. In this video, we'll explore the image gallery in the STid Mobile ID Portal. Imagine you're an administrator handling user photos across different locations. The image gallery makes it easy to keep all these images organized in one place. First, to add new photos, start by clicking Import in the image gallery. You'll then select the site to which these photos will be linked, ensuring they're organized by location. Once you've chosen the site, select the images you want to include. Within seconds, your photos appear in the gallery, ready for viewing and further management. Renaming photos is straightforward. Just click on a photo and update its name to match the user profile. This keeps everything clear and easy to find. For quickly locating specific images, the search bar is invaluable. Just type in a name, and the gallery filters your results instantly, making navigation fast and efficient. If you need a photo for documentation or reporting, downloading is simple. Just click the Export button, and the image is saved directly to your workstation. With its user-friendly features, the image gallery offers a complete solution for keeping user photos organized, accessible, and secure. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using the STid Mobile ID Portal. For further help, contact our support team at support@stid.com.